welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys everything that has been in the last two blank boxes. Pretty much all about my subscription box. I teased it in my announcement video, the same one where all y'all bitches thought I was fucking pregnant. And then in the Marty haul, I talked about doing a separate video just on the subscription box. And guess what? This is that video. Honestly, I should always wear off the shoulder tops because it limits how much I can move in a good way. Constrains me like straight jacket light, diet straight jacket. So first I'm going to go into a couple of questions that I've been getting about the subscription box and just like explaining it to you. So the subscription box is called the blank box. Honestly, I didn't know what to name it and I was like, oh, my mind is blank. I thought it kind of resembled or embodied the idea of paper goods really well because they start off blank, then you use them, then next month you get more shit. Unagi. So we are into our third month of the subscription box. Every single thing in every single box is different. I mean, yes, you might have notebooks, but they're not gonna be the same. Believe me, they're not gonna be the same because I spend so much time making sure that everything is unique and different because I have to also think about my Instagram feed and posting it. And I'm like, it's exactly the same as last month. I can't post it again. You'd think this was helping my arms, but now I'm just like moving in this vicinity. I'll get into the rest of the technicalities and all of that stuff at the end. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys two of the three boxes just so you get an idea of the kinds of products that are in them. I didn't want to just show you 1 month because then you're like, well, what if the next month it sucks? I'm gonna give you some consistency. But I'm not showing you the first box because the first box we launched with was for the movie The Honor List, my movie, link down below, shameless plug. And because that was such like a unique box, I didn't really want to show that because it's, I mean, you can't get it anymore and it's different than the rest. So we're gonna start with the June box. First of all, it comes in this box. And on the side right here, it says blank box. And we keep calling this pizza slash small calzone was like the style of box that we were calling it. I really wanted it to be flat and wide because, you know, I have no boobs. Really because I really love the idea of like flat lay images. And when you open it, everything would kind of be spread out and not on top of another. I didn't really finish the word another there, but we're gonna glaze on by that. Glaze? Glaze on by, like a donut. Graze. Glide. What the fuck am I trying to say? When you open the box, it says, you're the tits. And then underneath it says hashtag blank box by Marty. And I think my favorite thing was when we launched and people finally started getting their boxes that they had pre-ordered was all these pictures of the inside of the box. People going, oh yeah, this is definitely Meghan. Meghan didn't just stamp her name on something. Like, no, this is me. So in this box, we have some paper straws with little gold stars on them. And we even have our little like sticker. This is the stuff that's exciting to me. It's like the stickers and the shit that just says Marty with our little logo. But yeah, so it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little cute straws. Also in here we have this little pin. It's like a badminton racket with a little birdie. I think it's so cute. And if you guys saw in the just regular Marty haul, we do have other pins available on the site. But this one was exclusive to this box. Next, we have gift tags, and these are just kind of jumbo-sized watercolor gift tags in a bunch of different colors. They also already have like a pre-hole punched out place for you to tie, and we do have twine. It's not in here, but we did have twine. Next, we have the little flag sticky notes in a bunch of different colors. And then every single month we have a notebook or some kind of paper good that's like a notebook. I mean, the whole box is like paper goods and lifestyle things. But this month, as opposed to a notebook, we did a little desk calendar. So in the same kind of watercolory theme, just says this week in gold, and then it has all of the days of the week. And then you can peel it, rip it off, and leave it on your desk or just a table if you don't have a job or don't go to school. Hi, me. Also, for those of you who have been asking if we're gonna have planners, designing a planner has been the bane of my existence. It's the hardest thing in the entire world, but yes, it's coming. Then we also have 4 pencils, 2 kind of bronzy gold and 2 white. And they've got some really classy sayings on them. Write that shit down, take notes, bitch, words are hard, and fuck. Just really embodies my time in school. And finally, the last thing in this box is an art print. And for this year, every single box has an art print. They're all gonna be this size, so if you wanna like stock up on frames that are this size. And this one says, I came, I saw, I left early. And I really love these because they're like thick, you know, that kind of print where it's like, oh, sturdy. They're the same size as the ones that are in the regular Marty shop. So if you really love the prints and you subscribe for like the whole 12 months, you can have 12 by the end of it. So you can put it in your locker or the inside like cover of a binder. I think would be really cute. Just like let people know that you did come. You just You left early. So that's everything that was in the June box. All of you bitches better fucking sign up before August because that is my birthday, and so it is a birthday themed box, and it is the greatest thing in the entire world. And here is this month's box. This is the July box, and it is still available for you guys to get. So get it. Shall we show you what's inside? It literally makes me do like the claw of death though to open this. This one also says, "You're the tits, hashtag blank box by Marty." And then look at this. And the first thing in here is this little tote bag. It's a smaller, kind of more shouldery tote bag than the one that is just at the shop. Those ones are more like grocery size. And it says, "She's a salty beach" on it. She's a salty bitch, but she's a salty beach. But I think this is really cute. You could definitely use this at the beach or just in life because who isn't salty? Me, all the time. As you can see, the prints come in plastic to protect them. And as you'll probably be able to tell, the theme of this month was very beachy, kind of summery. I don't know, I just like picture like ice cream in like Nicholas Sparks movies kind of box. The print in this month's box is a print of a beach, and we also added gold foil onto some parts of like the cracks in the sand. So because last month's box was a quote, this month we did a photo. So I like to kind of mix it up in that way. The notebook that we got this month just says notes on it, and I just love how classic this looks and very simple, and this is also all lined. I'm a huge fan of spirals because you can like, nothing's worse than losing your page in a notebook. I mean, losing your page in a book is like definitely worse. I think it's cute, very pocket size. So if you, it's not pocket size unless you have like really fucking huge pockets, but it's like cute and small and petite for all those notes that you take during the summer. So like not as big as the ones you just take during school year. Unless you're an adult in which you realize summer is just a fucking season. Next we have these red striped treat bags. It comes with 2, 4, 6 of them. I love these. You guys have seen, especially during the holidays, which yes, we're definitely doing that too. I give people a lot of baked goods for presents. You can fold it over or fold it in half if you want to. And then what goes along with it are these little stickers. And these stickers say, "You're a snack." You can use these stickers for anything, but I did make them specifically with this in mind. Just like suck up to a hot lifeguard and like give it to them, and it's like a subtle like flirting hint, like "You're a snack." And what I also really love about these stickers is they're like thick stickers. So you got thick snack. Next in there we have a pen. I love the colors of it. And also I find if you have cute pens, especially if you have like 3 or 4 cute pens, like do you see that there was a gold pen in the first box? So cute. I never lose them. Like I purposefully keep them, and I know if Mott's has stolen them because he puts them all in his bedside table drawer. Weird, hoards pens. Next in here we have a sheet of temporary tattoos. Throwback to when I had my own collection of temporary tattoos. Anyone remember that? Just like the ones I did before. These are gold and they're stars. Clearly I love stars. I did enjoy someone commented saying like, "Oh my gosh, this is great. You've been talking about stars since you were like 15. Something's never changed. My nose changes. My love of stars, not so much. And the next thing we have is a keychain. This is a gold enamel keychain of a hot air balloon. I love keychains. This was also a selfish thing that I wanted to do. In the first month, we also did a keychain, and that says honored for the movie. And so now I'm just slowly adding in keychains to my collection because I think they're so cute. But I think it's adorable. You could also put it on really anything. You could probably hook it onto a hoop if you wanted. I mean, it's a little heavy. I'm not gonna like say that you should do that. Hook it to whatever you want to hook it to. And the last thing, I mean, you've already seen it. I love a clear bag moment. I'm a huge fan of being able to see what's inside. For me, this is gonna be like toiletries or makeup when I travel, and I still geek out for the fact that it says Marty on the tag, and it's giant. You can put your iPad in here, you can bring it to the beach. I'm not telling you that it's waterproof because you can't sue me. It's just a giant clear bag. I love it, it's trendy. So that is everything that's available in the July blank box. And if you guys wanna get it, you can get it by going to shopmarty.com. I'll have like the specific link down below. So we have 3 different subscription options, a month to month, every 6 months, once every month, which is a 12-month subscription. And for the 12-month subscription, it is $29.99 a month, and shipping is included in that. And guess what? We also offer quite affordable international shipping. So it's only $6, which is like the shipping and handling fee for overseas orders. So I was really excited because I know so many of you don't live in the US. You lucky bastards. We've also added a feature where each month you have an option to opt in for an additional item, and that item will then ship free with your box. So maybe it's like extra gift tags, or I know during the holidays we have some like really cute baking related ones. So it'll be exclusive items, and maybe we'll even include stuff in the shop if you guys want that. So you could get something from the shop and then the blank box, and then that could ship free with the blank box. Maybe we can do that too. If you guys have any more questions about the box specifically, or any kind of things about how it ships and the dates and when you're charged and all of that, I'm going to leave like the frequently asked questions that we have on the site down below. I really hope you guys like this. I'm really excited about it. It's something that I would like to spend my money on, just because I already spend a lot of money on like just cutesy lifestyle, home, writing, paper goods kind of things. I've always wanted to do something like that, like my own. So now I'm able to design and create stuff that not only would I buy, but stuff that I'm like proud of and want you guys to get too. The subscription box has been taking up so much of my time, and it's been so fun. And I've really found this kind of love for designing things and creating things and color palettes and going through that whole process. And we have so much stuff coming out. I'm already in 2019, so you guys want to sign up, because the stuff we have for the holiday season, when I say it's jolly, it is so jolly, but it's like non-denominationally jolly. Like, it's jolly if you celebrate Christmas, and it's jolly if you're Jewish. Like, it is so good. But if you haven't followed the Marty account on Instagram, please do, because I post even more stuff there. So I hope you guys like this video. I will leave a link for subscriptions down below, and I'll also leave the try on haul for the Marty stuff if you haven't seen that yet. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you, or I mean, you'll see me. I'll talk to you later. Bye!